This is question number 8 of GATE 2017, Metallurgical Engineering. The sieve analysis of ground quartz particles is given in the table below. So in the one column, sieve's size in mm is mentioned, and in second column, mass fraction of ground product retained on each sieve is mentioned. Now, the cumulative mass fraction of particles of size less than 1.6 mm is. So to know more about the sieve analysis, you can refer lecture number 5 on sieve analysis by screening from the course Mechanical Unit Operations by Professor Nand Kishore from IIT Guwahati. So to solve this problem, let's first understand how do we perform this kind of operations. So let's say this is sieve, and in this sieve we have a mesh, like a number of meshes with different hole size, and from that actually the particles are passing through depending on the sizes, right? So in our case what we have is sieve size is mentioned here, and the particle size which is retaining on the each sieve is given in the next column. So let's say we have 3 and 3 6 sieves, so we will name them. So first sieve is 4.76, 3.36, 2.38, 1.68, 1.19 and less than 1.19 in mm. All are in mm. So let's say for the first sieve size 4.76 mm, the mass fraction of the grounded product retained. So in the first case nothing is retaining on this sieve. Second, 0.2 fraction of the total ground product is retaining. That means like the size, depending on the sieve size, if the particle is bigger than the sieve size, it will retain. If it is smaller than the sieve size, it will pass through the next mesh. So this one is 0.4, next is 0.3, 0.08 and 0.02. So for each size of sieve, the amount of retained ground product is given in this fraction. Now the question is asking the cumulative mass fraction of particles of size less than 1.68 mm. So first we will see where is the sieve of size 1.68 mm. So this is the sieve with the size 1.6 mm, and in the question it is asking the particle size less than 1.6 mm, means if particle is bigger than 1.6 mm then it will retain, if it is smaller then it will pass through it. So the only passing particles are with the fraction 0.08 and 0.02, because these two in cumulative they are passing through it. So the cumulative mass fraction of particle of size less than 1.6 mm is what? Only these two sizes particle are passing through 1.68, remaining are basically above it. So only those which is lying below the 1.6 mm sieve sizes we have to calculate. So the total will be 0.08 plus 0.02. So it will give us 0.1 in mass fraction, right? 0.1 will be the answer. Thank you.